Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So, mayroon tayong pasok ngayon. And Janwell dropped me off to work today.
Got your sandwiches?
No, I haven't got my sandwiches. Well, I did not put perfume. Yeah. So, yung truck ni Jan yung gagamitin niya kasi magde-deliver din siya ng Polaris. I apologize if it is so dark.
Not dark.
Oh, the lighting here is very good. Ito. Yan. It's so weird to be in this truck. Paminsan-minsan lang talaga ako makakasakay nito. Minsan sumasama ako kay Jan picking the Polaris or dropping the Polaris. Way back when I don't have a job. So sumasama ako sa kanya para naman hindi ako ma-board sa bahay. Kailangan mag-stop ni Mr. dito.
So scary.
It's so scary, sweetheart. Thank you for walking with me. It's so dark here. Because there's no light.
There is, look.
There's now. Very scary, sweet.
Look at all bubbles coming out.
See, they used to have a light there, but now they don't have.
Time to fix it.
Well, they're trying to get an electrician. I'm alright now, sweetheart. You don't need to.
There's one there, look.
Yeah, I'm alright now, so
Right, okay.
thank you for.
Right, okay. Right, take
I
care.
love you. Take care, sweetheart.
So I'll be here later.
Okay. Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. So we're here in Tesco.
Again.
Again. Doing grocery shopping. Meron akong bag dito full of coins. Yan. Yung Tesco kasi, they have a machine who counts coins. I don't know what it's called. The machine called Coinstar.
Looks a screen to begin.
I wonder how much we got in here.
I don't know. Right. Just a screen to begin.
Yeah? Get cash. Please accept our face, terms and condition, coin counting.
10.9% charge. Not been bad.
Well, right.
Right, okay. Put it all in there.
Here? Here?
Remember.
How much? 13 pounds.
77p.
Yeah.
So now what?
Your transaction is complete. Quick question. Have you used Coinstar before? No. Your cash voucher is printing. There you go. We got 13 pounds and 77 pins. We're home. And John is eating his lunch, his sandwich. For my lunch, I'm having a baguette with cheese, yogurt, and kiwi. Earlier, we went to Coinstar, as you can see it, but we did not use. What do you call it? Voucher?
Voucher.
Yeah, voucher. We forgot. So, when this will be valid, sweetheart? I hope we can still use it on our next shopping trip.
Of course you can.
I don't have my tripod. What are you reading?
I'm just looking at these hotels.
Okay. May papakita ako sa inyo mga palangga. Something special
has arrived.
I need to tell you this because makikita nyo naman sa video. So, I'm happy to inform you na I have a new car. I'm so excited. Disclaimer, this is not a brand new car. It's a second-hand car. Yun lang yung maa-afford ko at the moment. But I'm so happy. I am so happy. So, ito siya. Are you ready? I hope you like it.
It's like a pile of scrap.
No! Here it is. Yeah, it's color black. Yan. Ito yung matagal ko nang hinahanap. Nagkatotoo na talaga siya mga palangga. Yan. Punta tayo sa driver side.
Smart wheel.
The smart wheels? What's the wheels? I don't know. John knows everything this car. So, John said it has an alloy wheels. Yan. It's a Clio. Renault Clio. Yung back niya. Oy. It's not. Yeah. There you go. Yan. This is the inside of the car. I'm not bragging ha. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo kasi yun nga makikita nyo talaga yung sasakyan kasi gagamitin ko. Yan. Yung time is 2:53 and tingnan nyo. So, this is not a brand new pero it only got 41 miles which is good.
New. Of course it's brand new. It's delivery mileage.
No, it's not brand new. It smells new.
What do you mean it's not brand new?
Yeah.
What is the brand new car going to be, darling? How many miles?
2020.
No, how many miles will there be on a brand new car when you get it?
0.
No,
No?
20.
Is it?
Because
really?
it moves them around the factory on and off the transporters and stuff.
All right.
They never have a
So
never
if
zero.
you, like, let's say for example, I purchase a brand new car, it
This
will.
is a brand new car. It's a
Yeah, but it's registered as.
No, it was pre-registered, right? Because they have to sell so many cars per year, right? And at the end of their quarter, they've got to have cars registered and done. And what they do, if they've not reached the target, they register them, right, to make it look as though they've actually sold them.
Yeah.
And they haven't, you see.
Yes.
And then they've not sold it until we've come along and bought it.
Yeah.
It's a few months old,
Yeah,
but it's brand new.
it's registered May 2019.
19, yes. But it's
Yeah.
actually brand new. It's never been on the road until we get it
Okay.
today.
Okay.
First time.
So yeah, that's his explanation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you understand. And this is for turning your airbags on and off.
Where?
Like that.
I need to learn the car.
Well, you don't ever have to touch that. You just leave it as it is.
Is it on? Is it for the passenger
Yeah,
and the
it's just-
driver?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yan. So yung car, it
What
has
they actually say is if you're carrying a pregnant woman in the passenger side, you should switch them off.
yeah, because it can
Who does have a passenger side airbag? It must have.
probably. So yung car is automatic. It has got a sat nav. The problem only is there's no reversing camera. I'm used of using reversing camera because my red car, it's so dark, sorry. My red car, it has got a reversing camera, but there's no sat nav. It's not automatic. The one that I drive before is manual. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Honeybee. Thank you, Han. I'm so
Hey,
thankful.
that's violence. I've got locking nuts on it. They're the spare wheel nuts of those.
Okay, what are
Wheel
those?
bolts, I should say.
Right, okay.
You've got a big pocket in there, is it?
Yeah,
There will be in here. I'll have to have a look.
have a look. So, and I think, I think the car is more bigger than the Toyota Ego.
What do you mean you think?
What?
I don't know what's up with this girl. I really don't.
I know nothing about car.
They can tell.
So is it bigger than the Ego?
It's probably a third bigger.
A third bigger. Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I like it. So kanina, nang grocery kami at ako yung nag-drive sa sasakyan. It's my first time to drive it. I never driven this before because when we found this car, we found it online and it's all in Manchester. Yeah, Manchester. So we never seen it physically or have a test drive. So it's whole new to me.
Well, the thing is, it was brand new. That's why. So we didn't have to look at it. We knew it was a brand new car. So basically, we just had it delivered.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Oops.
Yeah, it's locked.
It's locked. Ah. But I can compare now, honey, that driving an automatic car is more easier than driving a manual car. Yeah, it's so easy driving the automatic car.
Yeah, this was.
So yun, that's our new car. I'm so happy mga palangga. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa lahat. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat talaga. At sa kanya, maraming salamat talaga. Lubos talaga akong nagpapasalamat sa mga blessings na dumadating sa akin. Maraming salamat talaga. I hope hindi nyo ako mamasamain na ipinakita ko sa inyo na I have a different car. Kasi sabi ko nga, makikita nyo naman sa future vlog na I have a different car and I don't want you to think na ay, meron na siyang bagong sasakyan, bakit hindi pinakita, ganun. So I don't want you to take this as a negative way. I am happy and I want you to be part of my happiness. So, maraming salamat talaga. So, kahapon, hinatid ako ni Mr. sa trabaho. I am in for 14 hours. And yung sasakyan ko, in-exchange sila. Yung, ano bang tawag doon? Part exchange ba yung tawag nila doon? So, yung sasakyan na black, yung Clio, dumating siya dito sa bahay. Ano na, 12 o'clock. So, sinendan ako ni Jan ng picture. Sus, nako. Nung nakita ko talaga yung picture, yung ngiti ko ganyan, abot tayo nga talaga. I'm so happy. And happy ako dahil meron akong naiambag sa sasakyan. Kasi noon, yung red car, wala talaga akong naiambag. So, I cannot claim it as mine. At nga ito, makiklaim ko na akin to kasi meron akong naiambag. So, maraming salamat talaga. Maraming salamat. I'm just so happy and thankful for everything that's what's happening. Ay. Para man akong buang. O, anyway, magluluto na tayo. Yun nga, sabi ko, gagawa ako ng chicken pie. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo? Hindi ko ata nasabi. So, first thing, gagawa muna ako ng pastry. Sabi ni Jan na don't rush the tea kasi he will pick up the Polaris, drop the Polaris off, and then he will go out again and get the Can-Am. Ano ba yung kukunin ko dito? I need a butter. I need a lard. Yung buhok ko. Oh! Tingnan nyo to. Parang may planong si Mr. ha? May planong gumawa ulit ng trifle. I like this. So, ito siya. Yan. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa fridge. Kasi maaga pa dito. Ito yung chicken natin, hindi pa siya defrosted. At the current time mga palangga, pinapa-brown ko lang yung ating chicken. Yan. Nilagyan ko siya ng pepper. And once ma-brown na yung ating chicken, i-add ko na din yung ating ham. Dinice ko lang siya. Yan. Hiniwa ko siya ng maliliit. Medyo brown na yung ating chicken. So, yan. Mag-a-add tayo ng butter sa ating chicken and ham. Yan. And tapos, maglalagay din tayo ng flour, plain flour. So, nahalo ko na sila. Yan na. So, mag-a-add naman tayo ng milk. Yan. At kaunting chicken stock. Yan. Then, hihintayin lang natin na lumapot yung ating chicken. Yung sauce. Yan. Hihintayin lang natin. Malapot na yung sauce natin. Ito siya, oh. Yan. Oh! My God! No one see it. Hindi pa ako nag-add ng salt kasi we add ham. And sometimes, ham can be salty. So, titikman muna natin kung kailangan pa ba ng salt. Yeah, maalat na nga. Lalagyan ko siya ng kaunting Dijon mustard para mas malasa. Masarap na. So, happy na ako sa ating chicken. Saan ko ba siya ilalagay? I think pwede natin gamitin yung ating ito. Pwede natin gamitin to ngayon. I think lang, ha? We'll see. Yeah. I think kasya siya. Ang bigat nito. Sarap. Tatawagan ko lang si Mr. kung kailan ako magluluto. Magsisimulang magluto. Hello? When do you want me to start cooking? So I can start cooking now? Right, okay. Take care, sweetheart. Okay, bye-bye now. Bye. So I can start cooking. So, ito, papalamigin ko muna siya. Madali naman ito maluto kasi luto na siya. Yung pastry na lang talaga yung lulutuin natin. Oh. I think Mr. wants a roast potato. Nako naman. Oh my gosh, I forgot about it. I really forgot about it. Sobrang focus ko kasi sa pagluluto natin sa ating chicken pie. Nakalimutan ko nang mag-prepare sa ating pang roast potato. At least nalala ko, diba? I need to boil the water. We need to be very careful sa ating goose fat kasi mainit to. Nilagay ko siya sa oven. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng kaunting asin. Rosemary. Lagyan na natin dyan sa oven. We need to check the potato. Oop. Oh yeah, it's getting brown. Ngayon naman, ilalagay natin yung ating chicken pie. Kailangan na natin tong i-roll. I think yung ating pastry, it's a bit thick. Never mind. So, ito na siya. Yan. Never mind about this. Yan. So, we have to wait for 20 to 25 minutes. Yung potato natin, it's looking very good. Golden na golden siya ba? Titingnan ko lang muna ha, kung luto ba yung pastry niya. Medyo may pagka-thick kasi yung, hindi siya luto. May pagka-thick kasi yung pastry natin. Ibabalik ko lang siya ulit. I am starving. Time here is 6 o'clock na. At ngayon lang kami maghahaponan. At gumawa din ako ng leek sauce. Kung naririnig niyo si John, he is on the phone. I hope it's cooked, honeybee. I'm really hoping it's cooked. So, ito yung chicken pie natin.
More nice tea.
That's for your tea.
Tea tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's tea. Yan. It looks good. Kain muna ako kasi I'm so gutom na talaga. John's plate. Busog ako. Sobrang busog. Nanonood kami ng catch phrase. So, mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Sobrang simple lang. Wala talagang ganap. So, maraming salamat sa panonood. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah!